Hi, this is Chris Wheelock with Black Rock Underground. I am doing a post-construction video with a rigid 1-inch C-snake. I am at the corner of the house. Here's the construction of the 2-inch point repair. I'm going to stick it in the clean out 4-inch ABS at the corner of the house. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to let some water run, then I'm going to shut it off and then proceed the camera inspection. The address is 8031 North Reno Ave, Portland, Oregon 97203. Alright, giving some time for the water to drain. Here's the start of our repair. There's the other end of the repair, ABS to ABS 4-inch on both sides. Now I'm going to push down as far as I can go. Unfortunately, the lateral is too long to make it to the main. Today's date is again April 9th, 2024. Because of too many bends in the line, I am now going to stop, and now I'm going to return back slow. Here we are at the back at the beginning of the repair. 4-inch ABS. There's the other edge, and now coming up out of the clean out. Seems to be in good working order. Thank you. Have a nice day.